Hey, what's up, guys? I'm still kind of new at this, but I figured just give a shout out to everybody. I wish this stupid government thing would go away. About the wall, whatever. But anyways, I'm at work, just chilling. Just want to know if anyone out there knows anybody about vape juice or anything like that, different ones. My favorite is mystery. Just want to know what yours is. Don't worry, I'm not selling nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just chatting. If anybody wants to hang out and chat, just hit me up.
Here we go with the phone tap. You know what?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get someone on the phone and make them mad.
You're awesome.
The letter came in saying, "Dear Elvis Duran, my husband Kevin is doing a whole lot of work in our
I'm
front
at
yard.
work,
He has
outside,
a
sitting in my car, just chilling. I don't have to be in there until 9, but really ain't much to do unless we get more cars, more details.
Because it's an eyesore for the neighborhood. The sprinkler
So,
pipes are blocking
yeah.
the sidewalk. You can't walk by on the street without walking through mud. It's just a
Talk
mess.
to you guys later.